भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान्स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। न निरोधो न च उत्पत्तिः न बद्धो न च साधकः न मुमुक्षुर्न वै मुक्तः इत्येषा परमार्थता। This karika is going on. On page number 112. So in the top portion of the bhashya there was a discussion whether this rajju is it there in mind or outside or in both places. The utpatti pralaya of sarpa, is it in rajju, is it in mind or in both places? So he negated all three, neither in rajju nor in mind nor both places. So the mind part, that last time when we saw, he says, Bhashyakar said, Niyate manasi sushupteva dvaitam na grihyate. Second last line in the paragraph on top. So when mind is controlled in samadhi or in sushupti, there is no dvaitam. So when mind is controlled, there is no dvaitam, means dvaitam is there when mind is not under control. So if dvaitam is there because of disturbed mind, through Anvaya Vyatireka, we can say mind is responsible. because when mind is means disturbed, vikshipta, then there is dvaitam. And when it is niruddha chittam, samahita chittam, then there is no dvaitam. But this idea should not, I had quoted Vivek Chudamani shloka also, if you remember. So this idea should not tell me that everything is projection of individual mind. It only helps in establishing this Anvaya Vyatireka that a mind which is samahita will have less problems. No dvaitam means I will not have disturbance from dvaitam. But mind is still real in that case. And if mind is satyam, then all problems are bound to be there. Here the nigamanam is vikalpana matram dvaitam iti siddham. Mano vikalpana matram. So dvaitam is a projection of mind. Dvaitam is projection of mind. It is true in Swapna, and therefore it is true in Jagrat also. So in this way you can establish but it will be more accurate in Ekajivavada. Not in Bahujivavad. Okay, let's further now. Second paragraph in Tika. निरोधादि अभावस्य परमार्थत्वे तत्रैव शास्त्र व्यापारात् अद्वैते तद व्यापारा अभाव बोधने व्यापृतस्य भाव बोधने व्यापार विरोधात् अद्वैतम अप्रामाणिकम प्राप्तम इति शंकते. पूर्व पक्षी इज डूइंग वन शंका. सो न निरोधो न च उत्पत्ति, व्हाट इज सेड, निरोधादि अभावस्य परमार्थत्वे. निरोधी अभाव मीन्स न निरोध. व्हेन देयर इज नो निरोध, नो डिसोल्यूशन, नो क्रिएशन. So Shastra, what is Shastra trying to say? Purvapakshi is asking Siddhanti. If Siddhanti says, Shastra is trying to say, na nirodha, na utpatti. So then Purvapakshi says, that means Shastra is not saying there is Advaita. Shastra is saying there is no Dvaita. Tatraiva Shastra Vyaparat Advaite Tad Vyaparat Abhava Bodhane. Tad Avyaparat. Advaite Tad Avyaparat. In Advaita there is no Shastra Vyapara. Shastra Vyapara is there only in द्वैत अभाव बोधनम. तद अभाव बोधने व्यापृतस्य, that means द्वैत. You have to understand. In Advaita there is no Shastra Vyapara. Shastra Vyapara is there in Dvaita Abhava Bodhanam. अभावबोधने व्यापृतस्य भावबोधने व्यापार विरोधात्, भावबोधने व्यापार विरोधात्. So there is virodha in vyapara. What is the virodha? That you are saying, Shastra is saying there is no Dvaitam, and at other time you are saying Shastra is saying Advaitam. If Advaita is not spoken and Dvaita Abhava is spoken, then Advaitam is Apramanikam Praptam. Advaitam is Apramanikam. There is no Pramana for that. Iti Shankate. Bhashya. Understood the question? Dvaita Abhava is what is mentioned, yes, and Advaita is not where Shastra Pravritti is there. Then, if Shastra Pravritti is not in Advaitam, Advaitam is Apramanikam. Iti Shankate. Yadi evam Dvaita Bhave Shastra Vyaparo na Advaite Virodhat. Then in that case, Dvaita Bhave Shastra Vyapara. Shastra Vyapara is in Dvaita Bhava, not in Advaita. So there is Virodha. Tika. Advaitasya pramanikatva bhave kim syat. If Advaita is not pramanika, then what will happen? Tathacha sati Advaitasya vastutve pramana abhavat. Advaita is a vastavik thing, is a reality. In that there is no pramanam. And therefore Shunyavad prasanga. It will end up in Shunyavad. Tika. Advaitasya apramanikatve api kutah Shunyavado Dvaitasya satvat iti ashankya. Let's say Advaita is apramanika, but if Dvaita is satyam, then there is no Shunyavada. So he says no, Dvaita is abhava. Dvaitasya cha abhavat. Dvaita abhava is there. Advaita is not established. Then what will happen? Shunyavada. न रज्जु सर्पादि विकल्पनायाः निरास्पदत्वानुपपत्तिः इति. रज्जु सर्पादि विकल्पना. Rajju Sarpa is a projection. Rajju Sarpadi Vikalpanayaha, that projection cannot be niraspada, na niraspadatva anubhavattihi. Iti pratyuktam. Siddhanti says, we have already said, it will never happen that a kalpana like Rajju Sarpa will be without a substratum. It will never be available without a substratum. Na Rajju Sarpadi Vikalpanayaha Niraspadatva Anupapattihi iti Pratyuktam. We have already answered this. Etat katham ujjivayasi. Why are you again bringing it back to life? Points which we have already refuted. Why do you bring them back again for discussion? Tika. Na apramanika shunyavado yukto. यथा रज्ज्वाम आरोपित सर्पादे रज्जुः अधिष्ठानम. शून्यवाद which is apramanika is na yukta. We are not going to accept apramanika shunyavada. यथा जस्ट एज रज्ज्वाम आरोपित सर्पादे रज्जु अधिष्ठान, जस्ट एज सर्प which is aropita in rajju is the adhishthanam. Any dvaitam which is aropitam somewhere, it will have adhishthanam, it cannot be shunyam. This we have already discussed in the 7th mantra beginning itself. That's why Bhashyakar said, we have already answered, why are you bringing this dead body back to life? तथा द्वैत कल्पनायाः निरधिष्ठानत्व अयोगात् तदधिष्ठानत्वेन अद्वैतम् आस्थेयम् इति ओंकार प्रकरणे परिहृतम् एतच्चोद्यं कथम उद्भावयसि इति सिद्धांतवादी आह। द्वैत कल्पना कैनॉट बी निरधिष्ठान, द्वैत कल्पनायाः निरधिष्ठानत्व अयोगात्। Therefore तद अधिष्ठानत्वेन as the अधिष्ठानम of द्वैत कल्पना अद्वैतम आस्थेयम, you should take support of advaitam iti. This was already explained in Onkara Prakarana. Onkara Prakarana means first chapter, because it begins with Om. So he says it is Onkara Prakarana. Onkara Prakarane Parihritam, because it begins with Om ityetad idagam, Om ityetad idagam sarvam tasyopavyakhyana, Om ityetad aksharam idagam sarvam tasyopavyakhyana. So already explained there, Parihritam etat chodyam, this question, chodyam is prashnam, this question is already refuted. Katham udbhavayasi, once again why are you bringing it back? Iti siddhantavadi aha. So this is what Siddhanti said, na ityadina. Purvapakshi will say tatra shunyavadi. So now that ujjivayasi iti, up to iti is Siddhanti, then aha is शून्यवादी. टीका तत्र शून्यवादी स्वमतानुसारेण दृष्टांता संप्रतिपत्त्या चोदयति. शून्यवादी with his own matam स्वमतानुसारेण दृष्टांत असंप्रतिपत्त्या, दृष्टांत संप्रतिपत्ति is not there, means संप्रतिपत्ति means both pakshas they should agree, then that drishtanta is valid. Siddhanti gives Rajju Sarpa drishtanta, Purvapakshi will not accept that drishtanta, because then he will have to accept Adhishthanam, then Shunyavada will not work. So Purvapakshi will not accept Rajju Sarpa drishtanta itself. So that's why there is drishtanta asampratipatti. There is no agreement. If he gives different example, so he will give swamatanusarena. His drishtanta will be according to his matam. 4 number tippani tatra siddhanti mate, and 5 number swamate iti. Both are siddhanti matam only. The tippanis are small, as you can see. Vikalpita means aropita. Vikalpita, aropita. Vikalpita 1, 2, 3. Vikalpita is aropita. 4 is avikalpita, anaropita. They are all saral tippani. There is nothing. Aha. So who said aha? In Bhashya, second line, aha. Who is saying aha? No. Shunyavadi. You see in टीका, no, not सिद्धांति, शून्यवादी. उज्जीवसी इति आह. You see in टीका, तत्र शून्यवादी स्वमतानुसारेण दृष्टांत असंप्रतिपत्त्या चोदयति आह इति. आह प्रतीक is शून्यवादी. Why? You see the next line. रज्जुरपि सर्पविकल्पस्य आस्पदभूता विकल्पिता एव इति दृष्टांत अनुपपत्तिः. If Siddhanti gives the example Rajju Sarpa, Shunyavadi says if Sarpa is Vikalpita, Rajju Sarpa is Vikalpita, Rajju is also Vikalpita. You don't say Rajju is Satyam. You say Rajju is also Mithya. So who will say this? Siddhanti or Shunyavadi? So this aha will be Shunyavadi aha. Rajjurapi Sarp. The sentence before that, Dvaitascha abhavat न रज्जु सर्पादि इत्यादि इति, up to that is सिद्धांति. Then aha is Purvapaksha, Shunyavadi, who says your drishtanta is anupapannam, is not proper. Why? Because Rajju is also mithya. If Rajju Sarpa is mithya, Rajju is also mithya. So Vikalpa Aspada is Rajju, which is mithya. So you say Dvaitam has Advaitam as Ashraya, Dvaitam is mithya, Advaitam is also mithya. Then Siddhanti will refute. First you see Tika. Swamata sammatasya drishtantata iti aniyamat. Swamata sammata alone has to be example. There is no such niyama. Swamata sammata drishtanta alone can be given aniyamat. Prasiddhi matrena param pratibodhana sambhavat. That which is prasiddha, is not necessary that I have to agree. If it is prasiddha, it can be given as an example. Param pratibodhana sambhavat. Brahmabadhe parishishyamanasya avadhe satyatayaha rajvadau drishtatvat. Siddhanti is saying, when you do badha of any Brahma, means you go on negating. Brahmabadhe parishishyamanasya avadhe. Avadhi means Sima. What is going to remain? Parishishyamanasya avadhe satyataya. What remains will be Satyam. Go on negating, what will remain is Satyam. So in Rajju Sarpa Drishtanta, Rajvadau Drishtatva. Let's say there is some Bhranti, not at one level, multiple level. But finally, the final thing, if you go on negating, final substratum will be Satyam. Rajvadau Drishtatvat. Dvaita Brahma Bada Sakshitaya. Dvaita Brahma, when it is negated, Badhita, then it's Sakshi, witness. Sakshitaya Spurata Chaitanyasya Avikalpitatvat. That Swayam Spurita Chaitanya is Avikalpita, is not a projection. अविकल्पितत्वादेव सत्वात्, एंड देयरफॉर इट इज सत्य न शून्यता प्रसक्ति ही इति उत्तरमाह, एंड देयरफॉर देयर इज नो शून्यता से सिद्धांति न इत्यादि न विकल्पना क्षये अविकल्पितस्य अविकल्पितत्वादेव सत्वोपत्तेः। When vikalpana kshaya takes place, means they are dissolved, all projections are dissolved. Avikalpitasya avikalpitattvadeva. What is avikalpita? Because it is avikalpa, it will remain as satya, sattva upapatteः. टीका अद्वैतम असत अनुमानम इज देयर, अद्वैतम असत अप्रामाणिकत्वात् रज्जु सर्पवत् इति तद अकल्पितत्व असिद्धिम शंकते। अद्वैतम असत, अद्वैत इज असत, वाय अप्रामाणिकत्वात्, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट प्रामाणिक। पूर्वपक्षी इज डूइंग शंका। रज्जु सर्पवत, रज्जु सर्प इज ऑल्सो असत अप्रामाणिकत्वात्, एंड देयरफॉर अद्वैतम इज नॉट अकल्पितम, तद अकल्पितत्व असिद्धि। अद्वैत इज अकल्पित, सिद्धांति सेड, पूर्वपक्षी सेड नो, दैट इज नॉट राइट। अकल्पितत्व असिद्धिम शंकते। अद्वैतम असत भ्रांति विषयत्वम अत्र उपाधि द्रष्टव्यः। मीन्स अद्वैतम इज भ्रांति विषयत्वम, सो अद्वैत इज ऑल्सो उपाधि, इज ऑल्सो ए कंडीशनिंग। सत्व अकल्पितत्वे एकीकृत्याह तद अकल्पितत्व। सत्व इज अकल्पित, पूर्वपक्षी इज डूइंग असिद्धि ऑफ दैट। रज्जु इति रज्जु सर्पस्य असत्वे भ्रांति विषयत्वम। फर्स्ट लेट अस सी भाष्य। रज्जु सर्पवत असत्वम इति चेत, दिस इज अद्वैतम इज ऑल्सो असत लाइक रज्जु सर्प। टीका रज्जु सर्पस्य असत्वे, रज्जु सर्पस्य असत्वे इज जॉइंड इज वन वर्ड। रज्जु सर्पस्य असत्वे भ्रांति विषयत्वम प्रयोजकम। रज्जु सर्प इज असत, वाई? बिकॉज इट इज भ्रांति विषय। भ्रांति विषयत्व प्रयोजक मीन्स भ्रांति विषयत्व इज द निमित्त फॉर रज्जु सर्प टू बिकम असत, दैट इज क्लियर। आत्मनः तु ब्रह्म साक्षित्व अनियमेन। आत्मा is never Brahma Sakshi. Atma is never Brahma Vishaya. It is always Brahma Sakshi. Atmanastu Brahma Sakshitvat Niyamena. Niyamena means Niyamit Rupena. Brahma Avishayatvat. It is never Brahma Vishaya. Na Asatvam. Atma is Brahma Sakshi. What is Brahma Vishaya is Mithya. What is Brahma Sakshi is never Mithya. So, na asatvam iti uttaramaha. Understood the argument? See, if this is not becoming clear, right? again you will have to listen and you will have to sit through. Basically that is all you will have to do. Listen again and again. And you should be able to understand it in such a way so that if you have to explain it to somebody, you should be capable. This is what I feel, that you should be in a position to teach it to someone clearly and independently. Independently means you can use your material and everything, but you should be able to teach. I always emphasize this. Then only you will know whether you understood or not. Na ekantena bhashya. Na ekantena avikalpitatvat. Ekantena avikalpitatvat. Ekanta means ekanta means nishchaya. Here ekanta here does not mean in solitude. Eka anta yasya vicharasya, that's called ekanta. Means always I conclude the same thing. This is ekanta, not anekanta. Sometimes this, sometimes this, sometimes this, sometimes. That is anekanta. This is ekanta. Like in Brahma Sutra Adhyasa Bhashya, it comes na tavadayam ekantena avishayaha. So ekantena, there ekanta means this only. That every time nishchayena atma is avikalpita here. So ekantena avikalpitatvat. टीका अप्रामाणिकत्व हेतु हो अनैकांतिकत्व दोषांतरम आह. अप्रामाणिक हेतु, if a vastu is apramanика, it will have anaikantikatva. Here it is ekantikatva. Like rajju, if it is not understood as rajju, you will see it is sarpa, udakadhara, danda, bhuchidra, something or the other. अप्रामाणिकत्व हेतु हो अनैकांतिकत्वम दोषांतरम आह. In भाष्य एकांतेन अविकल्पितत्वात् अविकल्पित रज्ज्वंश वत्. एकांतेन अविकल्पितत्वात् अविकल्पित रज्ज्वंश. When is Rajju Amsha avikalpita? Even Prak Sarpa Abhav Vijnanat. Even when Sarpa Abhav Vijnana takes place, that time also Rajju Amsha is avikalpita. Iyam Rajju. This Rajju in this way. टीका नायम सर्पो रज्जुरेश इति. रज्जुरेशा इति. This is not sarpa. Nayam sarpa. Rajjuhu esha. This is rajju. Iti sarpa bhava jnana purvaka purovarti rajjutva nishchayat. What is there in front is sarpa abhava jnana purvaka rajjutva nishchaya. So there is no sarpa and it is rajju in this way. Sarpa abhava jnana purvaka पूर्ववर्ती रज्जुत्व निश्चयात् प्रागवस्थायां प्रामाणिकत्व अभावेपि, इन द प्रागवस्था अर्लियर स्टेज प्रामाणिकत्व अभावे अपि सन एव अज्ञातो रज्ज्वंशो अभ्युपगम्यते। अज्ञातो रज्ज्वंशः, रज्जुवंश विच इज अज्ञातः। Earlier that Rajju Amsha was not known. Now it becomes known. So Idam Amsha is always actually known, Idam Amsha of Rajju. But Rajju Amsha is not known. This is the difference. रज्जुवंशो अभ्युपगम्यते तथा सदैव प्रामाणिकत्व अभावेपि सन्नेव आत्मा भविष्यति इत्यर्थः। सदैव प्रामाणिकत्व अभावे, ऑल द टाइम व्हेन प्रामाणिकत्व, even if it is not there, Atma is always Sadrupa. Means even when it is not known. Even when Atma is not known, so one may think it is Apramanika, but it is Sadrupa only. Sanneva Atma Bhavishyati ityarthah. Atmano asatva abhave hetvantarma. And Atma cannot be asat. In that another hetu is given. Vikalpaituscha prak vikalpanotpattehe सिद्धत्व अभ्युपगमात् असत्वानुपपत्तिः। विकल्पयितु, द वन हु डज विकल्पना ऑफ दैट, विकल्पयितुः प्राग विकल्पना उत्पत्तेः सिद्धत्व अभ्युपगमात्। द वन हु डज कल्पना ऑफ सर्प इन रज्जु, he is present. How can you say it is Shunya? One who is projecting is Satyam. He is present. Vikalpaituscha prag vikalpana utpatti hai. Before vikalpana takes place is Siddha. Siddhatva abhyupagamat. Asatva anupapattihi. So Atma cannot be Asat. Atma is always there in the form of the self of Pramata who does Vikalpana. आत्मनो द्वैत भ्रमाधिष्ठानत्वेन संभावितत्वात् बाध साक्षित्वेन परिशिष्टत्वात् पूर्वं भ्रमोत्पत्तेः स्वतः सिद्धत्वाच्च प्रमाणा विषयत्वे अपि नास्ति शून्यता इति उक्तम्। आत्मनः द्वैत भ्रम अधिष्ठानत्वेन संभावितत्वात्। When Atma is Dvaita Brahma Adhisthana, it is possible, and it is Bhada Sakshi, it is the witness of all negation, it is the one which remains at the end. Bhada Sakshitvena Parishishtatvat, Parishishta means what remains. Purvam Brahmotpattehe Swata Siddhatvacha. Even before Brahma Utpatti takes place, Atma is Swata Siddha. And therefore, Pramana Avishayatvepi Nasti Shunyata. So even when it does not become Vishaya of Pramana, it is not Shunyam. Pramana Avishayatvepi Nasti Shunyata iti Uktam. Now, इदानीं प्रमिते धर्मिणि प्रतिषेध दर्शनात् आत्मनो अप्रमितत्वे तत्र द्वैताभाव प्रमापकं शास्त्रम् अयुक्तम् इति शंकते। प्रमिते धर्मिणी, धर्मी विच इज प्रमित, ज्ञाता, प्रतिषेध दर्शनात्, when प्रतिषेध ज्ञानम टेक्स प्लेस, प्रतिषेध दर्शनात्, आत्मनो अप्रमितत्वे, आत्मा इज अप्रमित, आत्मा इज नॉट नोन. थ्री नंबर टिप्पणी, प्रमिते मीन्स प्रमाण सिद्धे. पूर्वपक्षी इज क्वेश्चनिंग. प्रमिते धर्मिणी प्रतिषेध दर्शनात्. If a dharmi becomes known, then there is pratisheda. Atmano apramitatve. Atma is not pramita. Tatra dvaita abhava pramapakam shastram ayuktam iti shankate. Tell me, what did you understand by this? Anybody wants to try? See, what he is saying is, when you have the adhisthana, dharmi means the adhisthana jnana. When you have adhisthana jnana, then you can say other things are adhyastha. So if Atma becomes known, then you can say Dvaitam is mithya. Pramite dharmini pratisheda happens. Atma is apramita, Atmano apramitatve. Then if Atma is not known, how this Dvaita Abhava Pramapakam Shastram is correct? How that Shastra which says Dvaita Abhava is correct if Advaita is not known yet? So he is putting Ubhayata Pasharajju. Siddhanti says, when Dvaita Abhava is known, what remains is Advaitam Atma. Purvapakshi says, unless Atma is known, you cannot say Dvaita is Mithya. Dvaita Abhava is there. Without knowing substratum, you cannot go on negating things. So Atma is not known. How will you do Dvaita Pratishedha? Dvaita Abhava Pramapakam Shastram Ayuktam is not right. That Shastra which reveals Dvaita Abhava iti shankate. Katham punaha Swarupe Vyapara Shastrasya Dvaita Vijnana Nivartakatvam. If there is no Vyapara in Atma Swarupa, how will you say Shastra is doing Dvaita Vijnanam Nivartakam? Shastra removes the Dvaita Jnanam. How will you be able to say until Atma is known? And in Atma you said there is no Vyapara of Shastra. Shastrasya Dvaita Vijnana Nivartakatvam Katham. Then he elaborates in Tika. I think Anand Giri ji is enjoying writing big tikas in Mandukya. प्रतिपन्ने धर्मिणी प्रतिषेधात् प्रमिते प्रतिषेधस्य विशेषण वैफल्यादेव अनभ्युपगमात् आत्मनश्च सर्वकल्पना स्वाधिष्ठानाकारेण स्फुरणांगीकरणात् तस्मिन् प्रतिपन्ने द्वैत प्रतिषेधः संभवति इति परिहरति. प्रतिपन्ने धर्मिणी, धर्मी विच इज प्रतिपन्न, नोन, ज्ञात. प्रतिपन्न मीन्स ज्ञात, सिद्धे. सिद्धत्वं च प्रत्यक्षादिना स्वप्रकाशत्वेन वा, either way. Means through some pramana or it is swayam prakash vastu. Either way, when it is known, pratipanne dharmini pratishedhat, then pratishedha can take place. Like how do we say rajjuriyam nayam sarpaha? So first you say rajjuriyam, then you say it is not sarpa. So first rajju jnanam, then sarpa nisheda. You can't just say sarpa nisheda and expect that some rajju will be there. What if it is real sarpa? व्यावहारिक. सो प्रतिपन्ने धर्मिणी प्रतिषेधात् प्रमिते प्रतिषेधस्य विशेषण वैफल्याद् एव. प्रमिते प्रतिषेधस्य विशेषण वैफल्याद् एव. When the प्रतिषेध वस्तु is pramita, is ज्ञात, then विशेषण वैफल्यादेव अनभ्युपगमात् आत्मनस्य सर्वकल्पना अधिष्ठानाकारेण स्फुरण अंगीकरणात् तस्मिन् प्रतिपन्ने द्वैत प्रतिषेधः संभवति इति परिहरति. विशेषण वैफल्यात् 5 नंबर टिप्पणी. प्रमिते प्रतिषेधस्य इत्यस्य प्रमाण असिद्धे प्रतिषेध इत्यर्थः. प्रतिषेध means that which is negated. So he gave pramite प्रतिषेधस्य. प्रमित प्रतिषेध here means प्रमाण असिद्ध. प्रतिषेध will never be pramana siddha actually. It will be jnata but it will not be pramanika. Then only you can do प्रतिषेध. विशेषण वैफल्यादेव अनभ्युपगमात् आत्मनश्च. सो विशेषण वैफल्यादेव अनभ्युपगमात्. When विशेषण becomes viphala, विशेषण is negated, means it is false विशेषण, then विशेषण वैफल्यादेव अनभ्युपगमात्. Any visheshana, when it is negated in that adhyastha vastu, vikalpita vastu, then vastu will not be known. Visheshana vaifalyaat. Which visheshan? See, in tippani says tatra cha praman visheshanam viphalam. So a thing is known through pramana, that pramana visheshanam is vaifalya. Means it is not correct. It is not known through pramana. Because it is not known through pramana, therefore you can do pratishedha. Visheshana vaifalyadev anabhyupagamat. So because visheshana is pramana siddha is not true, therefore that thing is not known through pramana. Because it is not known through pramana, you can do pratishedha. Atmanasya, what about Atma? Sarva kalpana swa adhisthana akarena spurana angikaranat. Atma is अधिष्ठान फॉर ऑल कल्पना. सर्व कल्पना सु अधिष्ठानाकारेण स्फुरण अंगीकरणात् और सर्वकल्पना स्वाधिष्ठानाकारेण. सर्वकल्पना सु इज गुड. इन ऑल कल्पना आत्मा इज अधिष्ठान and its puranam means its jnanam is accepted. How? Ayam sarpaha, ayam dandaha, ayam bhuchidraha, iyam udakadhara. So in all of that, this ayam, iyam, idam, that is continuous. तस्मिन् प्रतिपन्ने आत्मनः प्रतिपन्ने, when atma becomes ज्ञातम, द्वैत प्रतिषेध संभवति. So Purvapaksh's question iti pariharati. So Siddhanti is refuting Purvapakshi. Purvapaksh's question was, until you know the adhishthanam, you cannot do nisheda of adhyastha, because you don't know it is adhyastha. Siddhanti is saying adhishthanam is known, but in which way? The idam amsha is known. Knowledge of that will facilitate negation of the other amsha. So when I say ayam sarpaha, iyam udakadhara, ayam bhuchitra, so this amsha is known. Based on this knowledge, the other part I can negate. So in case of us, how it will happen? When I say aham manushya, then I say aham deha, then I say aham karta, aham bhokta, aham vishwa, aham taijasa, aham prajna. So then aham part is known, it is not unknown, and the other part is changing. It is not there all the time. Because it is not there all the time, therefore it is badhita. So adhisthana amsha is there, it is known and remains changeless, kutastha. And the adhyastha part is changing, therefore it is badhita. And when that gets negated, what remains is this aham. Then you understand that aham is Brahma. So aham purushaha, aham manushyaha, aham brahmana, aham karta bhokta, aham jagrat swapna sushupti avastha abhimani, anta prajna, bahish prajna, ubhayata prajna. When all that is negated, what remains is aham Brahma asmi. So Siddhanti is saying naisha dosha iti. Naisha dosha. Rajvam sarpadivat atmani dvaitasya avidya adhyastatvat. Just says Rajju, in Rajju sarpa is adhyasta, in Atma dvaita is avidya adhyasta. In Atma dvaita is there because of avidya. Katham in Tika. First let us just see Tika. Brahma vishayasya atmano adhyasa anugatataya spuranam agatamanam iti akshipati. Brahma avishayasya atma. Atma is not vishaya of Brahma. Atma is not vishaya of Brahma means Atma's ajnanam results in other Brahma. So Rajju Sarpa is Brahma Vishaya, Udaka Dhara is Brahma Vishaya, Danda is Brahma Vishaya. because it becomes Vishaya of Brahmajnana. But Atma is not Vishaya of Brahmajnana. Brahmasya Brahma Avishayataya Atmano Adhyasa Anugatataya. Atma is Anugata in all Adhyasa. Purvapakshi says, such Atma, which is Adhyasa Anugata and Brahma Avishaya, Spuranam Aghatamanam. How can you have the knowledge of that? Knowledge of that which is present in all Brahma, but it is not Vishaya of Brahma. How will you have knowledge of that? Spuranam Aghatamanam. Spuranam is Jnanam, Aghatamanam. It is not possible. Katham. Siddhanti explains. First just see Bhashya. Sukhi aham, dukhi aham. Aham you have to add everywhere. Sukhi aham, dukhi aham, mudho, jato, mruto, jirno, dehavan, pashyami, shrunomi, vyakto, avyaktaha, karta, phali, sanyukto, vyuktaha, kshino, vruddho, aham, mama, ete, iti eva madayah sarve atmani adhyaropyante. All of these aham sukhi, aham dukhi, aham mudaha, aham jata, I am born, I will die, I am old, I am with body, I see, hear, etc. I am manifest now. After some time I will become unmanifest. He is talking about body. I am karta, phali, bhokta. Sanyukta, I am associated with things. Vyukta, I am separated from things. Kshino, vruddho, ityadi, ityadi. Sarve atmani adhyaropyante. All of them are superimposed in Atma. Atma eteshu anugata, and Atma is anugata pratyaya. Sarvatra avyavicharat. That which doesn't get negated, that doesn't change. Changelessly it is anugata everywhere. Tika. Swaprakashattvena sato nirvikalpaka spurane api savikalpaka vyavahare samaropita samsrishtakarena brahma vishayatvam aviruddham ityaha. Swaprakashattvena swato nirvikalpaka spurane api. Atma is Swaprakasha. It is by itself nirvikalpaka spurana rupa. Spurane api. Savikalpaka vyavahare, in all savikalpaka vyavahara, samaropita samsrishta akarena, samyak rupena aropita samsrishta. Samsrishta means the sansarga adhyasa is there between Atma and Anatma. So Atma is samsrishta. Anatma has sansargadhyasa and swarupadhyasa in Atma. Atma has only sansargadhyasa in Anatma. So this how Brahma Vishayatvam Aviruddham. It also becomes Vishaya of Brahma in only this sense that when Brahma is recognized, Aham is present. Aham Sukhi, Aham Dukhi, Aham Mudaha. This Aham is present. In this way it becomes Brahma Vishaya. So Brahma Vishayatvam Aviruddham ityaha Sukham Sukhi Aham ityadina. Yatha Sarpadharadi Bhedeshu Rajju. Sarpa, Udakadhara, Danda, in all these Bhedas, Rajju is continuous. उक्त न्यायेन आत्म प्रतीतेः सिद्धत्वात् प्रतिपन्ने तस्मिन् द्वैत प्रतिषेधस्य सुकरता इति फलितमाह. उक्त न्यायेन, by this न्याय, आत्म प्रतीतेः सिद्धत्वात्, आत्मज्ञानम is सिद्धम. आत्मप्रतीतेः सिद्धत्वात् प्रतिपन्ने तस्मिन् द्वैतप्रतिषेधस्य सुकरता. When Atma Pratiti is there by this Nyaya, by this Yukti, when Tasmin Pratipanne, Dvaita Pratisheda is easy then. When this much part is also known, then you can do Dvaita Nisheda. Iti Phalitamaha Yadacha Evam Visheshya Swarupa Pratyasya Siddhatvat Na Kartavyatvam Shastrena. Yadacha evam, since this is the case now, Visheshya Swarupa Pratyasya Siddhatvat. This Visheshya is Siddha. Visheshana part is changing, which is not known. Visheshya Swarupa Pratyasya Siddhatvat. Shastrena na kartavyatvam. Shastra doesn't have to do anything to reveal Adhisthana part because it is Swayam Spurana. All it has to do is negate the Aropita Vastu. In Upadesha Sahasri, in 18th chapter, actually Bhagavan has said that you also have to know through assertion, not only negation. So I had discussion with somebody who has studied Mandukya from me only. So the whole idea is that if there is somebody if there is somebody who does not have the knowledge of Vedanta, does not have Vedanta Pramana, then they will end up in Shunyam. But if there is somebody who has Vedanta Jnanam and knows that Atma is Swayam Spurana, for that person only Nisheda is also enough, like how it is presented here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.